Did you know accountants had existed for a very long time already, even in ancient times? The history of accounting timeline starts in 2500 BC. How can we say that? Simple, through taxes. When there had been a government, there had been collection of taxes, and to figure out taxes, accountants are needed. Well, they weren't called accountants yet, but this work already existed. Another is auditing. By about the 4th century BC, the ancient Egyptians and Babylonians had early auditing systems for checking movement in and out of storehouses, including oral audit reports, resulting in the term auditor, which derived from a Latin word audire, which means to hear. By the 2nd century BC, the importance of taxation had created a need for the recording of payments. Historical accounting records have been found in ancient civilizations like the Egyptian, Roman, and Greek empires, as well as ancient Arabia. Back then, rulers kept accounting records for taxing and spending on public works. As early as 3300 to 2000 BCE, they were writing on clay tablets for record-keeping trade and business transactions, which believed to be the primary reason for the development of writing systems. During the Renaissance period, Arabic number system and the double-entry bookkeeping are invented. The Italian Luca Pacioli, recognized as the father of accounting and bookkeeping, was the first person to publish a work on double-entry bookkeeping and introduced the field in Italy. He was underrated, but his works have been a great part on how the world advances. During the Industrial Revolution, accounting really took off as industrial companies sought out to gain financing and maintain efficiency through operations. Several of the double-entry accounting methods was truly developed in this area as there was a focus on business as never before. Shortly after, the first accounting organization was developed in New York in the year 1887. The title and professional license of the Certified Public Accountant followed shortly in the year 1896. The 20s accounting really became important to reduce the amount of fraud and scandals that were performed in business around the country. US GAAP was developed shortly after the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants and the Financial Accounting Standards Board in the year 1939. Since this time, the AICPA and FASB have been working together with the Securities Exchange Commission, or the SEC, to develop accounting standards for business. Through the help of technology and computer systems, all standards created for US GAAP have been centrally located into what is known as the codification. The codification reveals all of the current practices and standards, and even reveals developing areas of standards of accounting that are currently being debated upon. That was just a short summary of the accounting history. There's still a lot more things we have to know. Ciao!